Good day, everybody. This is your friend, brother, your one and only Olanrewaju James Additional. I'm here this day to bring to you the opportunity that has been changing the lives of so many people all over Nigeria and 4 African countries currently. I am here today to present to you Recharge and Get Pay. This is a telecommunication business opportunity. We are here this morning, this day, this hour to let you know that it is time for you to recharge and get pay. So quickly, let's get started. Let's go to business. What is Recharge and Get Pay all about? So I'll be showing you now what Recharge and Get Pay is all about, how you can be part of it. Then I believe after this presentation you will be glad you did. Recharge and Get Pay is also known as RAGP. RAGP is a virtual top-up fitting technology company. We are a major dealer to companies in the telecommunication industry of Nigeria, Liberia, Sierra Leone, South Africa. We are moving to Ghana very shortly. So let's look at what's more about RAGP, Recharge and Get Pay. Our CEO is Mr. Osita Adema Osoko. He has 16 years experience in direct selling industry. Recharge and Get Pay was launched into Nigeria telecommunication industry 2015-16. Launched into multi-level marketing industry in April 2017. Our head office currently is at HCR Plaza, plot 521 Sylvester Igo Crescent, behind EcoBank Jabi, Abuja. We have offices in Lagos, Ibadan, Calabar, Port Harcourt, Enugu, Sagam, so many other places all across Nigeria. And what are the products that we have on our platform? Basically, our products and services are the airtime of MTN, Airtel, Glo and 9mobile. Data bundle of MTN, Airtel, Glo and 9mobile. So if you are using any of these products, you are welcome on board to start making money as you use their product. If you use Airtel and data of MTN, Airtel, Glo and 9mobile on your phone, my brother, if you are yet to be on board, if you are yet to be part of what Recharge and Get Pay is doing, please, I want to let you know that you are missing a lot. We are also in partnership with all the cable TV subscription companies in Nigeria, DSTV, GoTV and StarTime. Also, PACN is part of what we do on our platform, PACN bill payment. Many more services like SpaceTranet, Smart Jam, airline ticketing and so many other things are still coming on board. Just key yourself in now and be part of this opportunity. I will not want you to miss anything, as the case may be. To be wealthy in life, find a way to make money from as many people as possible. NCC says Nigerians spend more money on telecoms than health and food. Just take it or leave it. That is just a fact. Look at this man, Mr. Salary. Is always in trouble all the time. You have to pay your house rent. You pay for transport, TV, mobile subscriptions, gas, fuel, kerosene, pay for clothing, food, utility bills, pay for school fees, pay for social services, pay for, you remember your in-law, you are doing you want to pay for so many things, only on one single salary that comes once in a month. My brother, I've been there before. I know what it means to be a salary earner. I know what it means. Please, if you are still a salary earner, I want you to look at this opportunity and embrace it now, as in now. Just make sure you reach out to me immediately after this video, to reach out to me to know how to get started now, as in now. So now look at it. Having one source of income is suicidal. Create your own economy. What is your plan B? create your own economy. Decide the kind of life you want to live. Don't let your employer be the one to tell you when you can upgrade, when you can move from one grade level of salary to another, when you can get promoted, when you can go on vacation, when you can go on holiday, when you can go and celebrate your children in school, that kind of thing. Your baby is doing bad day, you cannot even go and buy cake and follow him or her to school to celebrate. It is because you don't have the time. I'm telling you, with this thing in your hand, I'm telling you, you are good to go. Now look at this residual income. Warren Buffett once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work till you die. That is just a fact. He's telling us a fact. He has been there. He's telling us the reality of life. Look at this telecom industry analysis in Nigeria alone. Currently we have over 250 million active SIM cards in Nigeria. 3 million Nigerians recharge their phones per hour. Go and do your research. That is a fact. 14 billions are used to recharge in Nigeria every single day. Day as in day. 446 billion per month. 2.4 trillion naira yearly on recharge card alone, my brother. Won't you like to be part of this opportunity? Won't you like to earn from this industry? The question I'm asking you now is, how much of this money comes to you? How much of it? Since 2017, me, I've kept myself into this and I've been earning from it, from this money, coolly. When we are saying coolly, nobody will even know what you are doing. So let's move on because of our time. Now, look at this. This is the figure. 2.1 trillion goes to all banks. 30 billion goes to banks. They earn 30 billion naira every single month from this. Can you imagine? 30 billion. Recharge and Get Pay now say yes, they want to also be part of this. So they came in. Recharge and Get Pay also came in and say yes, we are going to be part of this. We are going to make history together. We want to make people we want to let them know how to fish, how to make money. Yes, they came in and they said yes, it's time for you and I to also be part of it. So let's move on. Now we are now saying that for you, look at it, all the banks in Nigeria, that is how they earn. That is how they earn from us. So Recharge and Get Pay also came in. They came in and said, you two come and make money. So now we now say that how can you now make money from this industry? How can you make money from Recharge and Get Pay business? So look at it. This is it. So we now say that for you to make money from this business, there is a need for you to register to be part of this business. You need to register, and our registration money is in we have registration money that comes in 7 places. The moment you register, you have 20% instantly coming back to you. We have 500,000, that's the first the first registration. Then we have a 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 and 5,000. The moment you register, you get 20% back instantly, and you get the corresponding PV also. Now this is it. Register orders directly under you and you make 20% also instantly. We call it direct referrals. You can register anybody on any platform, on any package. Look at it. Whether you register with 10,000, 100,000, 50 or 20, you can register all these people and you get 20% to infinity. You are getting it to infinity. Unlimited money start coming into you. So let's move on. Now you earn from all your indirect registrations as you register people, and all those people that you register will be in your level 1. As they are also registering other people, they will all be in your level 2, and you will be earning 10% from all of them. As those ones also are registering other people, they form your level 3, you earn 5%. Those other ones also register people, they form your level 4 and you earn 2.5. And they also register others, they form your level 5 and you earn 1.25, and so on. From level 6 to 10 you earn 1%, and that is where the big money is. Those 1%, the number of people there are more than when you are even earning the 20%. Yes, don't joke with it. So that's why we normally advise people, the moment you register, don't start eating your money. If you register with any package below 50,000, start upgrading immediately. Upgrade your account immediately. So don't wait. So the company say bring minimum of 3 people. This is you, for example. Then your people, you are able to bring the 3 people. Let's now say those 3 people are now able to bring their own 3 also, and the more the trend continues like that, even with this power of 3 alone, if you are able to build to level 10, all these 3 people in blue will be your level 1 partners, all these other one will be your level 2, and those that they bring will be your level 3. And if you can build it down to level 10 like that, my brother, you become a millionaire. Even right from level 7, you become a millionaire. Yes, no matter the package you started with, you'll be counting your money in millions. So let's move on because of our time. Now look at it. So we are now saying that, how do you now earn from this platform? So your earnings continue. You earn from direct airtime and data. We earn 22% from all our direct airtime recharges. For example, if you recharge 1,000, you make 20 naira. Then if you recharge 100 naira, you make 2 naira. Then from our data recharges, we earn 10% on all direct data recharges. Then if you recharge 1,000, for example, you earn 100 naira back instantly. Yes, you earn 100 naira back instantly. So the same thing happen to our cable TV. You earn as you recharge your cable TV. You recharge DSTV, GoTV, StarTime for yourself or for anybody, you earn 40 naira. And from all your indirect referrals, you earn 10 naira down to level 6. Then the same thing PACN, we earn 40 naira direct, and we earn 10 naira from all our indirect recharges. Then income potential by power of 10. Let's look at this quickly because of our time. Now register 10 correct people. Let them duplicate and register their own 10. That will be 100. Then the 100 register their 10, that will be 1,000. The 1,000 register their 10, that will be 10,000. And the 10,000 register 10, that will be 100,000. Let's now look at this thing. We are now saying that your monthly income potential on 100,000 people. For example, if you recharge 1,000, if your partners recharge 1,000 naira airtime in a month, for example, minimum, and they recharge 1,000 data minimum on every month, then you'll be earning 0.35% on airtime, which is 3 naira 50 kobo, 1% from data, which is 10 naira. The two together is 13 naira 50 kobo, multiplied by the 100,000 people. Monthly residual income on airtime and data for you will now be 1,350,000 naira. That is it. You heard me well. Yes. Let's look at the other ones. From the cable TV recharges, where you'll be earning 10 naira from them, multiplied by the 100,000 people on monthly basis, you will also be earning 1 million naira. From PACN also, you'll be earning another 1 million naira. The three together, you'll be earning 3,350,000 on monthly basis. Yes, you heard me well. Let's continue. This is exactly how our dashboard looks like. For example, this person now recharged 200 naira, I earn 0.70 naira. Yes, we earn in kobo here, and we are glad to end it. Yes, I've shown you the figure. By the time you multiply this amount by 100,000 people, you know what it means. The same thing, this is a referral bonus from one of the direct downline. This is a second level registration that you don't even know the person that did the registration. This is a GoTV bill payment from one of your partner, and you earn 10 naira from it. 10 naira multiplied by 100,000 people, you know that is 1 million naira for you. And you can be earning that coolly, even without knowing. Unlike this person now, we don't know who exactly the person is in the team. You just saw that Mr. Best has recharged one GoTV subscription this morning, and you have earned 10 naira from it. That's how the money comes in. We call all this money passive income. This person recharged 1,000 naira, and we earn 3 naira 50 kobo from it. This is another registration, referral commission. Then another one here, you see 1,000 naira referral commission. That's how the thing will continue to come in. You can see the number of transactions that has happened, that has taken place today alone. 401, this is 410, and it still continues like that. That is what we are talking about here, passive income. This one does not disturb your salary. It does not at all, for any reason. Yes, it does not. So we quickly want to move ahead because of our time. Look at some testimony of people. This is a withdrawal of 2 million naira from the platform. This is a check from one of our leaders. He has received 500,000 7 times. 500,000 naira 7 times. That was then. I know the thing must have increased by now. So this is what we are talking about. This is 2 million. This is 3 million. You can see this is our CEO. This is our CEO. Yes, that is the man, the brain, the visionary. Yes, you can see 500,000, 500,000, 500, 2 million. You can see money, 2 million. You can see 3 million. You can see the way we are earning here. We are talking about millions here. So we want you also to come and be part of this. Come and be part of this. This is 6 million naira check presentation. We are talking about money here. You can see withdrawal. You can see it. This is it. You can see. You can see. You can see. So I want you to ask your question. Ask your question. This is our registration page. If you are ready to register, just let me know. I will guide you through. I will show you and add you to our team. And this is how you receive the alert. You see, by the time you enter your phone number, then the alert comes in like that. So this is wallet to wallet transfer. This is upgrade package where you can upgrade your account. If you're on lower level, you can see it. You know, I want to sincerely appreciate you for coming so far with us to this level. RHGP is redefining wealth creation. We are making money while we sleep. Thank you very much for listening, for watching this video. I want you to please do me a favor, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and please click on the like button so that our subsequent video, as they are coming, you'll be able to get alerts as at when due. Thank you very much. If you are ready to be part of this opportunity, you can comment below, or I will drop my WhatsApp number. You can also chat me up on 070 30 7039. And once again, Olarinwaju James additional wet links from the table of RHGP Nation. Thank you very much, and God bless you. See you on the other side. Bye.